Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's video we'll be looking into abstract algebra. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment and share. All right, now so firstly I would like us to know what an algebraic structure is before we dive into today's work. So what is an algebraic structure? So let's say we are given a non-empty set X. So given a non-empty set X together with one or more binary operations. Or more binary operations. Then we say a couple X, asterisk is an algebraic structure. So are we together? So given a non-empty set X together with one or more binary operations, then we say the couple X, asterisk is an algebraic structure. Okay, so we have what's it called? Algebraic structure. It can be group, it can be ring. Okay, so and so on and so forth. Are we together? But our aim in today's lecture is to talk about the algebraic structure with one binary operation, which is group. Are we together? Now let's dive into the work. Groups. So now, what's group? Groups. Now, a group is a non-empty set G. So let me use another ink for that. A group is a non-empty set G. Okay, so together with a binary operation asterisk.